Okay, I believe you can see this clearly, even if the light is not too bright. So this is an equilateral triangle that has 4x, 3y, x plus y plus 5 cm. Now we're asked to find the values of x and y. And to tackle this, so that equilateral triangle have all the sides equal. So what that means is that AB, which is this line, will be equals to BC, and that will also be equals to AC. Now, if AB equals to BC and BC equals to AC, it means that AB will be equals to AC. That is transitive law in logic. So what that means is that 4x will be equals to 3y, and this will imply that 4x minus 3y will be equals to 0. That's our first equation. 4x2 will be equals to x plus y plus 5. And so if I do a transformation by making y the subject, my y will be equals to 4x minus x minus 5 will give me 3x minus 5. So wherever I see y, I'll substitute 3x minus 5, which is in equation 1. Equation 1 is 4x minus 3y. So wherever I see y, I'll substitute 3x minus 5. So this implies that my 4x minus 3 brackets 3x minus 5 equals 0. So 3 times 3x will give me minus 9x. And minus 3 times plus minus 5 will give me plus 15. So I will be having 4x minus 9x plus 15 will be equal to 0. So if I subtract this, I will have minus 5x. I will take the plus sign over, and I will have minus 15. So if I divide both sides by 5, by minus 5, I can get that this takes this down, and then minus 15 divided by minus 5 will give me 3. This implies that the value of x is 3. How do we get y? Remember that y is of the equation y equals to 3x minus 5. And then what is x? X is 3. And this is 3 brackets 3 minus 5. So my y will be equals to 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 will give me 4. Sorry, 9 minus 5, yeah, will give me 4. Therefore, the values of x and y, x is 3 when y is 4.